everybody, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. Today I'm going to be working on a feather string pull, or I guess I should say a string feather pull, because you take a string and you put it on the canvas and you pull it along with the paint, and it leaves this gorgeous pattern that looks like a feather. It's absolutely gorgeous to see and a lot of fun to do as well. So keep watching to the end so you can see exactly what I mean. Okay, so this is an 8-inch by 30-inch canvas, and since the size looks so long and narrow, I thought I would do a beautiful feather in different colors than I've used in the past. This is just Artist Loft that I've mixed with 2 parts Floetrol and 1 part paint. I'm just going to blow that out, cover the whole area. Now I have the string and the colors that I want to use. So I'm going to just put them on over here, and I think you can still see what I'm doing. That was a purple. This is more of a dark teal. And a bit of black. And I'm going to dip in the string. It does get very messy for anybody who's trying to do this first time. And I hope I get the right direction with the string, because I had a hard time the first time I did this, but I haven't done it in a while, so anyway, I hope it turns out beautifully. Otherwise, I'm scraping it. So I'm just dipping, and I probably should have done this a little bit different. I don't want it to get muddy looking. All right, so I'm going to put this down. I hope it's good. I hope this is going to be beautiful. We'll soon find out. So I'm going to put it this way. There, okay. And I guess I'll lift it from this side or pull from this side. Oh, very light. Oh, that's better. It's a skinny feather. Ooh. I like it. That's so pretty. Okay, I'm going to do that again, and I'm going to scrape off the paint that's on there and re-dip. Now I'm going to do it a little bit different and pour some of the paint on top of this that I have. Make it a little bit different. Okay, the purple really has come through. It's quite pretty. And the teal is very nice as well. And then a little bit of black, which really helps to ground paintings. So I will put a little bit in. Okay, now I'm gonna find my end. And I hope I remember how to do this right. I think you're supposed to go again from this side Oops. Whoa. Lay it down this way. Oh boy. And then the same direction. That's beautiful. Now it's a shame about this part here because the whole thing looks great. I don't know how to fix that. Wow, that's a shame. Okay, I'm gonna try and fix it and hopefully not ruin it. Yeah, that's not good now. Nope, I'm gonna have to do that again. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, and I'm gonna go down the middle with just some white. Lovely. Okay, I like that. It's very pretty.